pumpkin face-off. Starbucks, Dairy Queen, Tim Hortons. It's fall and everyone seems to be coming out with something with pumpkin in it, so let's see which one is best. Pumpkin spice frappuccino from Starbucks. Have you ever tasted pumpkin before?
Nope.
Do you know what pumpkin is?
Obviously. For $6, don't buy it.
Yeah, it's expensive.
Doesn't taste like pumpkin.
You don't even know what pumpkin is. On a scale of 1 to 10, what is this?
Like a 3.3.
3.3, it's not that bad. Like, it's okay, but it's expensive. It's $6 for a drink, which costs like 50 cents to make. It actually tastes like it has a bit of pumpkin flavor in it, and it's not just pumpkin spice. I would give this maybe a 7.1. It's decent, no? Yeah? No?
No.
Okay, next up we got the DQ Blizzard. This is supposed to be a pumpkin pie blizzard. There's some sort of cinnamon toast crunch flavor, right? I don't taste any pumpkin. It feels like I'm eating cereal with ice cream.
Cinnamon ice cream.
Okay.
False advertisement.
Not impressed. What would you give it?
Go 1.
Tim Hortons pumpkin spice iced cap.
Bro, this is a normal ice can. They just charge us for whipped cream.
There's a bit of flavoring on top. I don't know what that is.
Caramel.
Oh, go taste the flavoring. That's nasty. What is that? Okay, so this was the cheapest option. This was $3.90. It's a regular ice cap. I honestly don't taste any pumpkin in here or any sort of pumpkin spice. 1.4 out of 10.
I give it a 0.
We were supposed to do one from Wendy's. They had a pumpkin frosty, but apparently that's only in the States. Last time we had the Wendy's iced coffee, which destroyed everyone. So I'm assuming Wendy's is probably going to be the best.